Okay. So, today is June 20th, 2015. Tomorrow is Father's Day, and I want to plan something very special for my dad. Just a little background. Well, my mom passed away when I was 8 years old, so he acted the role of both parents very well, and I love the guy. So, step one. I got him a small gift. Boom. Obsession Night. Obsession Night by Calvin Klein. Just a small gift, nothing crazy. The second part, he loves flowers. I don't know why. I do not like flowers, but he loves them, so I'm gonna get him a sweet bouquet. It's gonna be killer. And then the third part, take him out to lunch, have a good time, and just hope he enjoys his day. So I'm gonna go buy the second part of his gift. Okay, decision time. Nah. I don't like these. Sunflower is fantastic. So much pink, but pink, purple, yellow. I think I'm gonna go with it. Okay. Another important stop. Let's go to the fancy section. Side note, important part of any gift, some dessert, chocolate, what have you. Okay, that looks sweet. Hopefully he'll like it. Алло?
А чого ти зигнув раз і бросив чого?
А, як це? Просто телефон що-то тут на робота. Хотів спитати, як кльов іде?
Ну ніяк немає нічого. Ну, правда, я 2 штучки смикнув.
А, я думаю, ти сказав, немає нічого.
Немає. Та ми втроєм на тому.
Окей, тато, поздравляю тебя с Днем Отца.
Спасибо.
Как ты себя чувствуешь?
Хорошо чувствую, нормально.
Сколько зловил вчера?
Вчера 4 штучки поймал, хороших. Приехал домой в час ночи.
Ага.
Нормально.
Це нормально ловить так пізно?
Ненормально. До 11 надо.
Got my beard under control. What do we have here? Boom. Hungarian beard wax. Not bad. Look at that mustache. I love this neighborhood. I mean, it's nice and all, but look, we got a big tree. But look at this. Car was cleaned. And birds, they use my car like a target. Wait for it. There. Okay, so like most Russians after a buffet, we are now relaxing and enjoying the rest of the day. Lunch was awesome. Тато, ну як тобі праздник сьогодні?
Прекрасний праздник, хороший.
Ти вже засипаєш?
Я вже хочу дрімати.